2026 is a more positive year than 2025. My only hiccup is that 2026 has the ability to be very impulsive.
अपनी स्क्रिप्ट को बदलने का आपके पास एक मौका
बिल्कुल
है
है।
और ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल मौका है।
If you don't pace yourself well, best of luck.
डिसिप्लिन होना बहुत जरूरी होगा जैन फेब मार्च में टू बिल्ड दोस
To build that Aries, what you need to build is confidence. Taurians, you will go into a labyrinth this time, this internal labyrinth of Gemini. You'll have to be a little focused. So when we look at Cancerians, there is a sense of emotional security coming your way this year. You will be facing situations where your ego will block real connections. If you are a Virgo, you get so stuck in your structure that you don't have the ability to shine out of your perfectionism. It is a year which basically says that thoda sa, be a little kind. Capricornians, Aquarius, Scorpions, Sagittarius and Gemini, this is a year where you need to a certain degree reevaluate what you actually want to do.
वेलकम टू द लास्ट एपिसोड ऑफ 2025 स्टार्स का जुगाड़। आई हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल इंडिविजुअल जॉइनिंग मी टुडे इन द स्टूडियो। बड़ा अच्छा लगता है इनके साथ बात करना, एक अलग सा राब्ता है, पता नहीं क्या। आज हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी भी फुल ट्यून में है क्योंकि दोनों की बैटरियां डाउन है, फोन की बैटरियां डाउन है। माय नेम इज ग्लेन। शीतल दीवान कपूर विद अस।
Thank you very much.
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यहाँ पे आई हैं, हमसे बात करने वाली हैं अबाउट साल 2026। इनकी जो भी प्रेडिक्शंस होती हैं साल को लेकर या फिर लोगों को लेकर, वो सत्य हो जाती हैं। There's one Satya that she believes in, that is only telling you the truth. Wow, what a plug-in.
I know.
That was smooth.
That is smooth. That was
Alright.
very smooth.
Alright, बात करेंगे 2025 की। I'll take you back in time. 2025 में इन्होंने एक वीडियो डाली थी called the year of endings और बड़ा लोगों ने उस पर ना खूब कुछ लोगों ने आलोचना की उस वीडियो की, कहा कि यार how can you say this? मेरे लिए बड़ा पॉजिटिव था। Though life handed me the harshest lessons in 2025, बट बड़ा अच्छा था क्योंकि मैंने रियलाइज किया उसमें भी बहुत पॉजिटिविटी थी कि जो रिश्ते नाते आपके नहीं चल रहे हैं वो खत्म होने वाले हैं। जो काम के पर्सपेक्टिव से जो आपको डजंट सर्व यू एनी पर्पस, वो आपको बार-बार वो दिखाता रहेगा कि भाई देख ले। और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली इट taught you to face your worst demons क्योंकि it didn't leave you only.
Yeah.
What is 2026? Let's start off with that. Positive है कि ऐसे ही है?
नहीं, 2026 is I think a more positive year than 2025. अगर हम basic, to dull it down, 2025 was very transformative. It was a year of endings, but it was a year of transformations as well. 2026 has a vibrational frequency of new beginnings. So
Wow.
from a vibrational point, it's we will see a very interesting year evolve. My only hiccup over here is that 2026 has the ability to be very impulsive. So if we hold our impulses, if we take care of our impulses, then the ability for us to really evolve and grow and kind of just work this thing through is very good. It's a good year. It's not a bad year.
So you're saying it's a year of positivity and year of new beginnings.
It is a year of new beginnings.
That's
It
a
is
great
definitely a year that will give us the ability to, just change the narrative.
अपनी स्क्रिप्ट को बदलने का आपके पास एक मौका
बिल्कुल
है
है।
और ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल मौका है। एक आई थिंक पानी आ रहा है हमारे स्टूडियो में। पानी, ये लाइव टेपिंग के वक्त ऐसा होता है तो बड़ा मजेदार होता है। वाटर इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वाटर इज फ्लो। क्या फ्लो में हूं मैं आज, मेरे को इतना मजा आ रहा है ना।
Flow. Thank you.
And clearly this episode was not sponsored by Bisleri, but it's okay. Who knows, they may sponsor our future episodes.
Absolutely. If you're watching, please take
Yes,
note.
absolutely. तो आप कह रही थी about the year is about new beginnings, नया creation. When you tune into 2025 energetically, what was the emotion that kept repeating for people? Fatigue, fear, confusion या फिर clarity?
For 2025,
हाँ, जब आपने ट्यून इन किया था शुरुआत में।
it was specifically fatigue. It would fit, I'm not for the faint-hearted. So
I know. इससे मुझसे अच्छा इंसान तो कोई जान ही नहीं सकता इनको।
So, 2025 was the year of endings to a large degree because we're very resilient to change. We don't like change. हमें बदलना नहीं पसंद। तो 2025 ने हर वो चीज़ बदली है आपकी ज़िंदगी में जिससे आप डरते थे या आप झिझकते थे या आप एक या आप भागते थे.
Correct.
So 2025 said मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. So it fatigued you down.
Absolutely.
It gave a lot of fatigue. But because it fatigued you down, you allowed change to enter. So 2025 was a lot to do with fatigue.
आपने कहा 2026 जो है वो impulsive साल रहेगा.
देखिए 2026 is a year of chronic overstimulation.
Impulsiveness also, no?
Impulsiveness but chronic. You have to understand something. 2026 is a beautiful year, but if you don't pace yourself well, best of luck.
ये बहुत तेज भागेगा.
ये बहुत तेज भागेगा.
ये 2025 की तरह ड्रैगिंग नहीं होगा.
नहीं, ये ड्रैगिंग वाला साल नहीं है. ये डेफिनेटली एक आप जब एक रोलर कोस्टर देखते हैं, ये पहले धीरे धीरे चढ़ाई पे धीरे चलता है.
हाँ.
वो हमारा जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च है.
हाँ.
हम जैसे वो पिनिकल पॉइंट ऑन टॉप आएंगे,
हाँ.
फिर ये बुश करके घूमेगा.
अप डाउन
चलता रहेगा. आप कुछ भी कर ले. It's a great year to travel. It's a great year to start a business. It's a great year to create stability. It's a great year to grow. It's a great year to consolidate yourself first to be able to then grow.
तो आप कह रहे हैं डिसिप्लिन होना बहुत जरूरी होगा जैन फेब मार्च में to build that. So internally, yes, that discipline. And discipline can come in what form? Just asking you.
So I think discipline is very personal to each and everybody. So whatever works for you.
Okay.
If that means going to the gym works for you, then go to the gym. If that means that sitting with family works for you, go sit with family. If that means meeting a friend for a drink works for you. I mean, whatever discipline works for you, but this is not about socializing. This is discipline within. It is about creating that routine, creating that rhythm within to turn around and say, ये मेरा rhythm है.
आपके लिए क्या है personally?
For me, I think there are two things that stand out more importantly. I have 3 dogs who are my children. So I think spending that 15-20 minute, whether we play hide and seek, whether we roll on the floor wanting to, just play, whether it is them running into a park, whether it is just spending some time with them, they just wipe out the chaos of my day. So that, and I've pretty much grown up with dogs. So I think they're a part of my DNA. I don't know how to possibly exist in an environment without a dog.
Right.
And I think the second thing is my strongest relationship, which is with my husband. So the stability that he because I can be very erratic, but the stability that he kind of brings to the table where I'm concerned kind of just gives me it gives me the runway to run on. That
तो आप कह रही हर इंसान को 2026 में जैसा आपने कहा spending time with the dogs, your partner, आप में एक स्थिरता आती है, एक certain amount which allows you to go ahead.
Absolutely.
आपको वो ढूंढना है और उसको consistently उस पर
काम
करना है.
करेक्ट. ये देखो, कोई मैजिक वॉन्ड नहीं है दुनिया में, और अगर होती मैजिक वॉन्ड मैं अपने लिए यूज कर लेती. मैं किसी को नहीं बोलती किसी चीज के लिए. बट द पॉइंट ऑफ द मैटर इज दैट नोबडी हैज अ मैजिक वॉन्ड. यू हैव द एबिलिटी to grow on the basis of the decisions that you take, and certain decisions are spontaneous. You're getting into a spontaneous year, boss.
But वो dangerous हो सकता है ना impulsiveness. आप बोल रहे हैं कि impulsive year है, लोग बहुत बड़ा decision erratically भी ले सकते हैं.
The point of the matter is that yes, it is an impulsive year, but the intensity of that impulsiveness is in your hand.
आप किस तरह से उसे कंट्रोल करते हैं?
आप किस तरह से उसे कंट्रोल करते हैं? आप क्या रिएक्शंस? आपका साल इम्पल्सिव है, लेकिन आप उसके ऊपर रिएक्ट कैसे करेंगे वो तो आपके हाथ में है ना. आप एक्ट कैसे करेंगे वो आपके हाथ में है. आप उसको रिस्पॉन्ड कैसे करेंगे वो आपके हाथ में. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द वन थिंग अबाउट 2026 दैट इज गोइंग टू बी एब्सोल्युटली नाइटमेरिश इज दिस क्रॉनिक डिजिटल ओवर स्टिम्युलेशन.
किस perspective से?
So for example, we've got this very prominent association between two axes that is going to implode the digital space.
Okay.
And new explorations will come in the digital space as well.
अभी जो vertical dramas इतनी चल रही हैं,
आप उसको देख लो, cyber security देख लो, security related matters देख लीजिए, anything in the AI for that matter. 2026 is a starting point where we will see the digital age become more prominent. We will see a different wave that comes. एक Facebook आया था, एक Instagram आया था, एक और wave पैदा होगा.
Wow.
अब वो wave क्या लेके आएगा आपके लिए, वो तो आपके हाथ में है.
आप
उसमें क्या करते हैं उसके साथ, वो आपके हाथ में है. See, the world will give you an option. The universe and energies around you give you opportunity. What you do with that opportunity is entirely up to you. Like for example, people come up to me and say, I want to make $1 million. And this is what I say. I said money, the quantification of financial gain is in your hand. You will get the opportunity. How much you can make out of it, and whether you make out of it to save it or spend it, that is in your hand. That, वो कहीं नहीं लिखा होता कि $1 million मिलेगा.
आप हमेशा ये कहती ना, what takes me to this thing that you always have stuck by, फितरत
नहीं बदलती.
हाँ.
और किस्मत फितरत से ही आती है. Because आप, we are a psychological matrix. We are made out of these two individuals, this male and this female, this mother and this father. We live in this environment all together as family, as friends, as this, this world that we create. And this world, we create this world and this world creates us. आपकी फितरत उसके वजह से, create होती है. आपकी फितरत नहीं बदलती. और कोई आपकी फितरत नहीं बदल सकता आप अपने अलावा. Like for example, आप अपने ऊपर देखिए, for example, I had somebody who came to me, okay, and this is somebody जिन्होंने अपने ऊपर काम किया है, all right. She has gone through multiple relationships where there was loss, betrayal, chaos, but then she changed her alignment. She turned around and said, नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, ये नहीं चाहिए. अब मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए, मैं अट्रैक्ट तो कर रही हूँ, बट ये मुझको नहीं चाहिए. सो व्हाट डिड शी डू? शी got into a deep analysis as to why is she attracting this individual over and over, or this type of individual over and over and over and over again, because there were certain internal belief systems that made her feel that she was not worthy. So you have to understand something. The world is not about the external world. It is not about what's on Facebook, what's on Instagram, what's on, the world around you. It is not about all of that. What you attract is because what comes your way, and what you attract is because of the world within you. Is how you feel about yourself. What relationship you have with your physicality. What relationship you have with your mind. What relationship you have with your body. What relationship you have with you internally. There are certain people who project that they love themselves.
लेकिन वो बड़ा अंतर है.
Like there are certain people who believe that they have to work very very hard to get to where they have to go. But projection है कि मेरे पास सब कुछ आ जाता है, तो भैया वो projection से कुछ नहीं आता. जो आता है वो internally ही आता है, वो फितरत से ही बनता है. Like for example, my nana used to say something very categorically to me, and I've grown up with this. You are the best thing that ever happened to your reality. And वो ना मेरे दिमाग के अंदर बात बैठ गई है. Good, bad, anything मैं बोलती हूँ, I am the best thing that ever happened to my reality. So if my reality is this, I am the best. Hence I will get the best.
My nana used to say in Konkani, आवासा बिया ना कहे, मैं हूँ, टेंशन मत लेना.
So there you go.
वो हमेशा बैठ गया ज़हन में अपने पे. वाओ. क्योंकि आपने सेलेस्टियल तो बातें हम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन साइकोलॉजिकली भी कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये साल 2026 हम सबको, अगर हमें आगे बढ़ना है हमारे करियर एम्बिशंस के साथ.
If your internal world is stable, this is the perfect year to get into. If your internal world is fluctuating, best of luck.
2025 से भी ऊपर नीचे.
I think देखो, हर साल ना एक एक्सप्लोरेशन होती है.
हाँ जी.
हर साल एक ट्रैक होता है, एक ट्रीट भी होता है और एक ट्रैक भी होता है.
Correct.
अब वो ट्रीट इसके हिसाब से होता है कि आपको रिच कार्ल्टन में आराम मिलेगा, और ट्रैक इसके हिसाब से भी होता है कि आप माउंटेन के ऊपर ढूंढ रहे होंगे कि बाथरूम कहाँ जाए.
Wow, that's a beautiful way of putting it.
Yeah, but हर साल होता है. 2026 gives you the ability to run like a horse.
तो ये साल बेसिकली आप कह रही हैं उन लोगों के लिए जो काम करना चाहते हैं.
नहीं, ये साल उन लोगों के लिए है जो अपनी जिंदगी में uninterrupted, जीना चाहते हैं.
Example?
Where, for example, you do not let the external voices of the world interrupt what is internally going within you to get to where you need to go.
तो बहुत ही blinders
for
लगा के.
example, आप अगर घोड़े को देखो, यहाँ पे ब्लाइंडर है, मुझे वहाँ जाना है, आप देखो ना आपको कहाँ जाना है, और छोड़ दो इसको.
अलाइनमेंट आ जाएगी आप कह रहे हैं अगर आप ऐसे करेंगे.
अपने आप आएगी. अगर आप पूरा दिन बैठ के रील देखोगे और फिर बोलोगे मेरे को फिल्म स्टार बनना है, मेरे को सुपरस्टार बनना है, तो भैया नहीं होने वाला. अगर आप पूरा दिन अपना बोलोगे कि मुझे वो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना है, लेकिन मैं उसके बारे में सिर्फ पिंटरेस्ट का बोर्ड बना के बैठा हूँ, उसका वो नहीं होगा. अगर आप पूरा टाइम अपना वेस्ट करोगे इनकॉन्सिक्वेंशियल चीज़ों में और बोलोगे मैंने तो बड़ा काम किया है. It is not about thinking hard. It is not about working hard. It is about working smart this year.
And doing
it and being consistent with it. Consistency is the name of the game in 2026. If you are not going to be consistent, don't bother. Take a blanket and go off to sleep.
I told you she's not for the faint-hearted.
No, take a blanket and go off to sleep.
I'm going to ease you out a little bit to all our viewers क्योंकि अब आपकी राशि के बारे में थोड़ा हम जानेंगे about your love life and your professional life. हर राशि के बारे में we talk about it. लेकिन उसके पहले quick rapid fire. Manifest or move on 2026.
Move on to manifest.
Wow. Silence or confrontation.
This is going to be the year of refined silence and not wanting to confront.
मेरे लिए तो बड़ा अच्छा है. मुझे तो बड़ा confrontation से.
ये साल वेस्ट ना करना confrontation में. वो next year है. वो 2027 आएगा ना तो जितना शोर मचाना है वहाँ पे
मचाओ. Consistency or courage.
Courage leads to consistency. You have to be courageous to lead to consistency.
ये बहुत important सवाल है क्योंकि 2025 में इतने ड्रामे हुए लोगों के साथ. Heal first or leap first?
Leave first to heal.
You're saying leap, and then you will heal.
Leave, leap, and then heal. Because only when you leave it will you be able to leap. Only when you leap will you be able to heal.
Trust intuition or logic?
Intuition always, because logic follows.
I think most of my viewers and most people have gotten an answer a little bit of कि क्या 2026 है. आपको मैंने ना आप जो बोलती हैं हमेशा फितरत के बारे में, हर इंटेंट के बारे में, हर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन से जब भी वो इंटरव्यू देते, विराट कोहली हो, रोहित शर्मा हो, MS धोनी हो, and these are people we have really hero worshipped in our country, you know, legit, because these guys have achieved so much. तो हमेशा बोलते हैं फितरत, इंटेंट. There's a certain फितरत के साथ हम जाते हैं उस फील्ड पर, एक mindset.
You have to have that mindset. You have to have that mindset to say, I am going to conquer all, or I'm going to sit and cry. And crying is also fine. Conquering is also fine. Wasting is also fine. Because by the end of the day, Glenn, we have come to experience things in this world. Now, for example, I met somebody recently who turned around and said, नहीं करना मुझको कुछ, मुझे chill करना है life में. And he has moved into environments where he is chilling.
Created that environment for himself.
No, that environment already comes. देखो भैया, energy ना बहुत simple है. The world of energy is very easy. The world of energy says, what you want, I will give. I will give you everything that you want. But are you sure you want it?
अच्छा आपको choice
मिलती है? Are you absolutely sure you want it? And you will constantly be asked that. Because then when you collectively put that energy out there, that collective out there will push that towards you. You know, this world vibrates on frequency, vibrates on energy.
Right.
And I say this to everybody. My ability to sense you or sense the world around you is because I'm sensing into a field that is very interesting. Okay? But I also need to be conscientious of the fact that that field is also sensing me. It's always a dual space. आप किसी चीज को देख रहे हैं, आपको नहीं समझ आता कि वो भी आपको देख रहा है. You know, the world is, the energy gravitates and moves like that. So by the end of the day, अगर आपको 2026 में अगर आपके कोई goals हैं, अगर आपकी कोई aspirations है, अगर आपको शादी करनी है, अगर आपको बच्चा पैदा करना है, अगर आपको काम करना है, अगर आपको एक identity बनानी है, करिए. Beautiful year to do it. It is a year of new beginnings. But you have to let go of the past to begin anew.
Let going of the past generally doesn't mean that let go of whatever you have.
No, let go of whatever you have. You have to let go of past aspirations. And you know, one thing that 2026, and there are two kinds of people in the world who have very high expectations. And there are very certain people who have very low expectations. I have complete low expectations in life. I don't expect half the time. I'm like, think about the worst, plan for the worst, think about the best, the world will be fantastic. But people who have very high expectations, this is going to be a hard year for you. But the spontaneity of this year will kind of put you into a position where you'll be like, but where is, ये साफ क्यों नहीं है, ये podium क्यों नहीं है, ये क्यों नहीं है, वो इतनी, you know, they'll enter into the you know, what do you call that? They will
tiny nitty-gritties.
They will enter into that perfectionist zone.
वहाँ गड़बड़ होगी.
बहुत गड़बड़ होगी. वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा बैंड बजेगा.
So that's when you have to, like, if people have that kind of a frequency, that kind of energy, then you work around it.
Then you work around it. So if you come from a space where you have very, very high expectations, lower your expectations.
Just say, ठीक है, we'll go with the flow.
Go with the flow. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Navigate day by day by day. You know, why do you want to build a 10-page format and then sit on that structure and then say that structure is going to write? नहीं करो, chill, take a step back. It is a beautiful year to work with people. It is a beautiful year to collaborate. It is a beautiful year to create structure in those collaborations altogether. You know, so ये साल आप नए लोगों से मिलेंगे.
हाँ.
ये साल आप new energies से मिलेंगे. You will elevate your energies to another level. This is a very intuitive year. So if you are going to navigate this year with positivity or navigate this year with faith, well, you get most of it.
और इन्होंने पहली बार जब मैं इनसे मिला था, इन्होंने कहा faith and fear vibrate in the same
They
frequency.
vibrate on the same frequency.
Yeah, because दोनों you don't know.
No, the fear and faith will get you to where you want to go.
हाँ.
Fear will take slower time, faith will take longer time. Fear आपको पीछे खींच देगा, faith आपको फटके से वहाँ पे ले जाएगा.
Interesting. अब हम एक important part पे जाने वाले हैं with regards to your sun signs और साल 2026 किस तरह से होगा आपके लिए. आपने कुछ उसका breakdown किया कि कैसे आप बताने वाली हैं, कैसे क्या होने वाला है?
So what I'm going to do is right from Aries to Pisces, I'm going to tell you the one thing that you need to build this year. The one thing that is coming no matter what.
मतलब ये चीज
होगी आपके साथ. एंड एक चीज जो आप एस्केप नहीं कर पाएंगे तो उसको नेविगेट करिएगा.
ठीक
है. सो फ्रॉम एरीज व्हाट यू नीड टू बिल्ड इज कॉन्फिडेंस. You need to be confident this year. The more confident you are, the more your ability to shine happens. Great year for Aries where financial matters are concerned. Great year for Aries to create consistency in terms of financial associations altogether. This is a year where and what's coming your way, this is a year which is asking you for smart leadership. So if you are an Arian and you are a leader in your field, be smart about it.
Okay.
You know, you have to navigate a lot of people and don't do it with speed, do it with caution. You know, navigate, work, be the mentor to people, but don't do it with speed. Do it with a little caution, do it with a little ease. It will work out where you're concerned. What you cannot escape is your family. You will have to take some time out for them. You cannot escape your family and you will need to learn to say no. So ये थोड़ा सा manage करना पड़ेगा. Now where a Taurus is concerned, the one thing that they need to really build on is their self-worth this year. So ये internal, you know, Taurians, you will go into a labyrinth this time. You know, this internal labyrinth of मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ, मैं identity, ये da. And थोड़ा सा सेल्फ वर्थ बढ़ाइए, थोड़ा सा अपने अंदर विश्वास करिए. एंड द बेस्ट वे फॉर यू टू डू दैट इज टू मैनेज योर ईटिंग पैटर्न्स. द मिनट दे स्टार्ट ईटिंग राइट, द मिनट दे स्टार्ट ईटिंग वेल, द मिनट दे स्टार्ट nourishing themselves, this year will be wonderful where they are concerned. What is coming for you is a career restructuring. Whether you like it or not, there is some sort of a restructuring that's going to come to you where your career is concerned. The first 6 months of this year will go into that altogether, so have fun with that. What you cannot escape, your habits. Sorry. You have to let go of these habits. You have to create a sense of safety for yourself so that it doesn't limit your growth. But technically that is what it is. Now, Gemini is very interesting this year because Gemini, you'll have to be a little focused. You'll go through a conundrum where you'll be like, focus, grounded. Be on point altogether. And what is coming your way are very important conversations and personal conversations and very family-based conversations that will help you grow. This is the right year for you to allow yourself to have a mentor. If you are going to allow yourself to have a mentor, the sky is the limit. I mean, it's fantastic for you. And what you cannot escape, you like to think and you like to think a lot, so there is going to be this mental burnout that will happen, so you need to learn to kind of chill out. Absolutely. Cancerians. So when we look at Cancerians, there is a sense of emotional security coming your way this year. So family will be important, but having that partnership will give you more stability than anything else. So build your relationships with your friends, build your relationships with your partnerships, build your relationships with the partners that you work with. It's about building that community, that kind of
synergy basically.
एक synergy build करना पड़ता है. What is coming your way is a lot of shifts in your relationships. And what is also coming your way is, to a certain degree, you will see the opportunity of creating new in your workspace. So एक pivot आएगा, एक movement आएगा जहाँ आप एक और field के अंदर जाएंगे, एक और opportunity आएगी. And if you are a Cancerian, if you like to talk, this is the perfect time to do public speaking from public speaking. It is a time to do public speaking, and that would really do well for you as well. What you cannot escape, setting emotional boundaries. You'll have to set them, boss. You've got to set these emotional boundaries, and specifically for your health. So those are the really, really important aspects of this. Now, when we come to Leo, what do you have to build? This authentic confidence within yourself. You have to be confident. Now, not overconfident and not being like, oh, I'm the dude, but this authentic confidence. And you've got to stop seeking for validation from every idiot on the planet. You pretty much know all your answers, to just believe in yourself there. What is coming your way, you are going to have a very strong career spotlight that's going to be put on your head. And this is the perfect year to just not, to glow in that spotlight, but not to turn around and get that spotlight to go to your head. Just shush, come down, take it easy. Flow. Grounded rehna zaruri hai. What is it that you cannot escape? Facing where ego blocks real connection. You will be facing situations where your ego will block real connections. Do not let go of these real connections in the process of your ego building or your ego massaging nonsense. Please understand and navigate that there are certain people who are going to be a little rude to you and give you advice. Listen to that advice. Ye jo करेंगे that oh, I really like you and I'm hero worshipping you, उनको sideline करके बिठा देना, उनके लिए एक beautiful podium बनाना और उनको वहाँ पे बिठा देना altogether.
वहाँ पे ऐसा होगा, लोग जो
बिल्कुल होगा. आप बहुत लोगों से मिलेंगे लियो जो आपको थोड़ा सा हीरो वर्शिप करेंगे, थोड़ा सा विजिबिलिटी देंगे, बोलेंगे आपसे बेटर कोई है नहीं, एंड आपको उनको ब्यूटिफुली एक रिबन बांध के एक शेल्फ पे बिठा देना है, और जब आप सैड होते हो ना तब उनको देख लेना, वो कर लेना. And you'll go very well in life.
Leos,
all right?
Yeah.
Now, Virgos. Now, for Virgos, what do you need to build? You need to build the ability to shine. If you are a Virgo, you get so stuck in your structure that you don't have the ability to shine out of your perfectionism. So take your perfectionism and honestly put it in a beautiful box. Take that box, put it in another box. Take a nice little tala on it. Seal it, go to the ceiling and shove it down over there altogether. उसको दूर रखो, उसको साथ में रखने का कोई sense नहीं होने वाला है. What is coming your way? There's a lot of work coming your way, and a lot of new work, and a lot of different kind of work coming your way. Virgos who want to write, Virgos who want to be in the digital space, Virgos who want to create an identity for themselves, Virgos who want to be in the financial space altogether. This is a beautiful year to shine. It's a beautiful year. What can you know? What you're going to be incapable of escaping? Health. So physically, you do need to take care of yourself. Stress will start showing. For all Virgos, I would say the minute you can sleep, it nurtures you. So sleep, nurture yourself, get moving from one place to another place altogether. That is some
and recovery.
And recovery, absolutely. For Libra, person, what is the part of their personality that they really need to build and work on? They have to learn to be decisive, and they have to be self-directed. So they need to learn to direct themselves and move forward. What is coming their way? They are going to move into an environment this year where they will meet a lot of people who are going to be far more successful for them. Don't get overwhelmed with that. Don't get agitated where that is concerned altogether. Understand that you and they are both going to align in the same alignment. And don't turn around and say, उनके पास ज़्यादा है, मेरे पास कम है, लेकिन मेरे को थोड़ा सा अपने आप को बढ़ाना है. कोई race नहीं है. You are just going to meet very, very interesting people. You may not work with them this year, but you may build a relationship with them to be able to work with them in the years coming your way. So this is a building phase. It's a very strong building phase for Librans. And what you cannot escape is choosing yourself. You will have to choose yourself. You cannot choose the world around you. You will have to take that time to choose yourself to keep your own peace.
And sanity.
And sanity. And for Librans, the more peaceful you are, the more you'll be able to pace yourself well in this year.
और आपने कहा बहुत fast.
ये बहुत fast जाएगा साल. ये बहुत super fast जाएगा. Now, Scorpios. It's very interesting that they need to learn to be. What do they need to build? They need to learn to be emotionally honest with themselves. They need to learn to take accountability. They need to learn to say कि मैं भी गलत हूँ, मैंने भी गलती करी है. Because what's very interesting, and this is the transition of 25 to 26, specifically Scorpios and 2-3 other signs. What seems to have happened is they have gotten very hurt in 24, 25. And they're holding on to how the world behaved with them in regards to how they behaved with the world. So 2026, they will have to take that accountability. You know, it is a period, it is a year that gives them, turns it around and says that you have to kind of be a little bit emotionally honest with who you are in relationships. It is not a year that is turning around saying, telling you, sorry, जाके बोल के आओ. वो नहीं है. वो नहीं बोल रहा कि मुझको इनको sorry बोलिए. But it is a year which basically says that थोड़ा सा be a little kind. And understand and work with a little kindness. The world is not going to collapse. You don't always have to have that fortress, and you don't always have to shoot people down, and you don't always have to say तुमने ये नहीं किया. You have to turn around and be a little kind to yourself and the world around you. It's emotional, you know, honesty.
Balance and honesty.
Honesty more than anything. What is coming your way? It is a financial transformation. So all you Scorpios out there, there is great financial transformation happening your way. You are going to get onto a roller coaster, which is going to be fantastic for you. Hold yourself on it. Learn to say no when you want to say no. Learn to rest when you want to rest. You know, don't get so overstimulated that you don't know where you're going and you kind of then aimlessly just move into that space altogether. What you cannot escape, old emotional baggage. So it'll keep resurfacing. And it will be emotional baggage from your childhood that will come to the forefront. You need to start looking at it a little bit more constructively. For specifically, you know, Capricornians, Scorpions, it is also... So Capricornians, Aquarius, Scorpions, Sagittarius and Gemini. This is a year where you need to a certain degree, reevaluate what you actually want to do. This is going to be a little tough year for you because you will want to control the environment. Don't control it, flow with it. Specifically for these signs, flow in this environment and the world will be a better place. Now, coming to Capricorns, what do you need to build? You need to build that emotional armor. You know, you have to have that emotional armory around you because you will feel threatened by the environment. You will feel caged and you will feel and turn around and sense that everybody's shooting you down. Capricorn, take care of your backs. Capricorn, take care of your muscles. Capricorn, take care of your आपका जो ढांचा है, आपका जो, you know, your bones, frame, उसका ध्यान रखिएगा because a lot of you are going to get slip discs, a lot of you are going to get bone related issues, a lot of you are going to get pains and aches in your bones. Please take care of that altogether. What is coming your way? Career responsibility. There are going to be career opportunities and responsibilities that are going to come your way which are great for you. So Capricorns will do very, very well this year. Only if they can sort their shit out in their heads. And what is it that they cannot escape? The burnout. You know, इनको full stop नहीं समझ आता, इनको comma भी नहीं समझ आता. ये इतना push करते कि ये फिर you know, then the world turns around and says, अब तुम बिस्तर पे बैठो. So that is something that they will need to work with very strongly. Now, Aquarius, the one part of your personality that you need to build is being emotionally available to people in your environment. You are so analytically available and you're wanting to give everybody a solution. Sometimes people will not want your solutions. They will just want you to hear them out. So, shut up. Technically. Yeah. Shut up. Literally. And let the other person say what they want to say. Let them finish their sentences. And be a little bit more centered. Like, दूसरे बंदे को बोलने तो दो, तुम आपने वो एक वर्ड बेचारे ने बोला है, आपने आगे से लेके पूरी राम कहानी बना के आगे करके पता नहीं क्या कर दिया है उसका. So just zip it. Now, what is coming your way? New relationships, new ideas that reshape your work and your social life. So, great year to really, from a social standpoint, from a digital standpoint, to kind of grow into this brilliant identity. This is also where new ideas shape your identity. You get from one place to another place altogether. It's a beautiful year for Aquarians. Now, last and not the least, Pisceans. they need to trust their vision. The one thing, they're visionaries, and they're beautiful visionaries, but they need to learn to trust their vision where this year is concerned. And now what is coming up their way, whether you like it or you don't like it, you're going to make money this year, Pisces. आप कुछ भी कर लो, पैसा आएगा. अब ना आप रो रो के पैसा बना लो, या आप हंस के पैसा बना लो, या आप दौड़ के पैसा बना लो, या घर पे बैठ के there will be money coming your way. Stop putting a number to it. You know, the minute you put a number to it, that becomes problematic. So don't put a number to it. And what you cannot escape, you will need to learn to put boundaries in your love language. You will need to learn to step away and say no. You will need to learn to, just take care of your own vision this year and be a little selfish. And there's nothing wrong with you being selfish, Pisces. So that is the gist of 2026.
Wow. ये आपने जो स्कॉर्पियो का बोला ना, मैं लिब्रन स्कॉर्पियो में तो मैं बच जाऊंगा. मुझे लगता है मैं कस्प पे हूं, वो 23rd वाला हिसाब है मेरा. हाँ. तो मैं थोड़ा 23 अक्टूबर थोड़ा बच सकता हूं, मुझे लगता है ऐसे थोड़ा मेरे दिमाग मेरे जहन में ऐसा है. बट ठीक है, बात सही कही है. थोड़ा सा खुद पे भी फोकस करना पड़ेगा. अपने अगर कोई डिसीजन लिया है तो उस पे आप अटल रहिए, उसको बैक कीजिए एंड गो विद द फ्लो. हर चीज को अगर आप कंट्रोल करने को देखेंगे, एनवायरनमेंट तो ऐसी उथल-पुथल है.
बिल्कुल.
जस्ट गो राइड द टाइड एंड
एब्सोल्युटली. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टॉर्म.
आपने कहा ना फाइनेंस, मैं उस बात पे खुश हूं कि फाइनेंस भी बड़ा अच्छा हो रहा है. स्कॉर्पियो के लिए बहुत पैसा आने वाला है, लेकिन याद रखना, डोंट लेट इट गेट टू योर हेड व्हेन थिंग्स हैपन, द कोलैबोरेशंस दैट हैपन. पॉजिटिविटी, हर चीज में मैं पॉजिटिविटी ढूंढ लेता हूं. वैसा अच्छी बात है. जैसे हाँ, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा होने वाला है ये साल 2023.
No, it's a beautiful storm. It's one of
it's not a shit storm like 25.
No. 2026, what I really think I love about, I'm hoping and waiting, and 2026 delivers that. I think 2025 dismantled illusions. Okay, हर चीज को फर्क करके कर दिया. 2026 restores alignment. It is like you're walking into this beautiful storm, which is raining, which has lightning, but the lightning is not going to hit your head. So it's a breather. It's actually a breather. My only worry about 2026 is the speed it comes from, the speed it generates, and the decisions that are made on the basis of that speed.
The impulses.
The impulsive decisions that the speed creates may end it may end up in a way where we may have to, we may look back and say, ye nahi karna chahiye tha. So just don't be reactive. I think responding to 2026 is going to be a better way of dealing with 2026 than reacting to 2026 altogether.
Wow, I think that's a beautiful message for 2026, and we've covered all the sun signs. I'm going to wrap this up with one very important सवाल आपके लिए. What mindset blocks abundance more in 2026? Is it fear of failure or fear of success?
No, come back again.
जो एक mindset होती है जो block करता है abundance. बहुत सारे लोगों को fear of success भी होता है. और
for 2026, it's the fear of success.
Really?
You're going to fear success. I mean, see, the point of the matter is that success will overwhelm you, and that's one of the reasons you may say, I don't know. You have to be careful with 2026. It is not about fear of failure. This year will not let you fail. It is the fear of stepping into the light rather than staying in the shadows. The shadows are comfortable. The light is what you're going to be scared of. Because you see, the point of the matter is 2026 will turn around and say, step into the light. But your fear will be, but I'll finally be visible. So it is the fear of visibility and the interest of wanting to be visible. It is this need to say, I want to be seen. And this fear which comes to the forefront and says that if they see you, then they'll see every crack.
Yeah.
Then they'll see every part, every follicle of hair, everything about your identity. And that is what will get people to step back a little bit. All I'm trying to say is...
She was going to say... आपको समझ में आया?
Respond!
Not react.
Not react, respond!
आपको समझ में आया ना? वो फीलिंग समझ में आ गई थी,
रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट।
अब जो होगा सो होगा और देखा जाएगा। 2025 का सबसे बेहतरीन इंटरव्यू, सबसे बेहतरीन काम। माय नेम इज ग्लेन सल्दाना, यू नो मी एज आरजे ग्लेन लाइव, एंड वी आर साइनिंग ऑफ।